Welcome back to the Trills workout. So we're now moving to the upper octave, and here there's a lot of individual fingerings for all the trills. So the first one is C to D, and it slightly depends on your flute, but most people's flutes is slightly more in tune if you use the second trill key, so this one, the one nearest your pinky, rather than the first one. You'll hear the difference if I play you both versions. It's a little bit sharp. It's a little bit flat. So on the whole, at speed sounds better than. It's just kind of like a brighter sound. C sharp to D. You can do on the first trill key. D to D sharp or E flat, which you finger top D and you trill with the second trill key. Then you've got D to E. That's a special fingering. Notice I didn't do that massively fast. It's more about evenness and good tone on all trills. Okay, then you've got top E flat to top F, where again you can do either two fingers together on the left hand or just one. Then a semitone trill on D sharp or E flat is finger E flat and trill with the fourth finger or the ring finger on the right hand. I don't like that one, it's not nice to do. Then we've got E to F sharp. Now top E is that fingering obviously, and you trill with the thumb. Worth practicing. Then top E to top F is another special fingering, it's that. So you've got your top E fingering and then the left hand middle finger does the trilling. Then top F fingering to top to G. I think there's a variety of fingerings for this, but the easiest one is just to trill with your thumb. Okay, and if you need F to F sharp, same as down below, you finger the F sharp and trill with the F. So the F sharp finger stays down. Now a weird one, F sharp to G sharp in the top octave is the two thumb and first finger together using top F sharp fingering. And then you trill with those two. That's also not nice. Then top F sharp to top G. You do F sharp fingering and you trill with your thumb. So a lot of these have all been worked out through working out harmonics. Like that would be a harmonic of B to C. Okay, then one of the most awkward ones of all, G to A trill. Now my fingering is G sharp key and both trill keys together from top G. It's awkward, but it works. There are other fingerings, and one of them is to just play a low G fingering and overblow like mad, but it's very hard to get that sound out. I find it really hard, so I prefer to coordinate all those fingers and get that trill. So moving all the way up to the top now, G to A flat is actually top G fingering, and you trill with the first trill key. It's nice and easy. Then A flat to B flat, which you do get, is finger top A flat and trill with both trill keys. Now we've got A flat to A trill, which is finger top A flat and trill with the first trill key again. Now top A to top B natural. This is a really not a nice one. You have to start with the top A fingering, then move to a top B fingering but using the first trill key rather than the second one, and then trill with those two fingers in between, so the first finger of the right hand and the middle finger of the left hand. The preliminary bit is to get you going, so you start like that, top A, go to top B and trill with those two. Quite hard to coordinate that one. Then you've got a much easier one, A to B flat at the top. That just happens to work really well from top A fingering with the middle finger there, leaving this finger down. Finally, I think we're nearly at the top now, because some of the top intervals I don't know fingerings for, and I don't know if there are trills. I'm sure someone's found some, but I don't know them. So the next one is B flat to B natural. So you finger a top B flat like that, and then you move to the other trill key and trill with those two there. So while I moved to the trill key there, I also added the other fourth finger. And one final trill for you is top B to C. So B natural to C natural. Top B fingering, and you just trill with your thumb. I hope that's helpful.